All right, this is just a quick video to show how to change the symbols on the different lines on a graph, or the different series as they're referred to. And then really that's the problem in trying to figure out how to do anything in Google Sheets, is figuring out what they're calling things that you may not be familiar with. So the first thing you need to do is get into the chart editing tools. And one way to do that is to pull down this pull down menu and then edit chart. But another way, and an easier way, quicker way, is simply to double click on the chart. So if you double click, you get the menu over here, and usually by default it comes up with the setup tab. Notice that under the chart editor here, there's a setup tab and a customize tab. In this case, we're only after changing those symbols, so I'm not going to go over anything else, but you need to go to the customize tab. And then the series, because again, each one of these is considered a series. So you need to go to the series drop-down menu, and that's where you'll notice apply to all series circle, and that's why every one of these lines, or all three of these series, has a circle. So what you can do is pull down this menu that says apply to all series, and then you can choose which series to apply a different symbol to. So in this case, we'll just go ahead and leave high be a circle. Low will change to maybe a triangle. And then control, maybe a star. And that's it. Notice that that's changed on the graph. So we're all done changing the symbols. And just to throw something in here, notice that the y-axis has no label. The x-axis is the time and has date as the label, but the y-axis has no label, and that's not good. So again, you need to get into the menu and go to customize, and that would be under chart and axis titles. So notice chart title is the default here, and that would be high, low, and control. And actually that should be edited too, because that's not a very good title. But what we want is the vertical axis. Now, I called it the y-axis, but Google Sheets calls it the vertical axis. That's the up and down axis, right, along the left side of the graph. So that's the one that we want to label. And in this case, it is number of snails. And that's it. You'll notice it comes up on the graph, number of snails. All right, so that's enough for this video. I didn't want to make this too long.